Ready? Hello.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm good.
What's your name?
My name is Sophia.
How old are you, Sophia?
I'm 8 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Da Nang City, Vietnam.
What color do you like?
I like pink.
What animal do you like?
I like dog.
Very good. Now, what's this?
As my birthday party.
That's right. And what's this one?
Birthday cake.
Yes.
Pasta.
Yes.
Pizza.
Yes.
Popcorn.
What do you know this?
The pasta is yummy.
Very good.
The popcorn is yummy.
Very good.
The pizza is yummy.
Very, very good. Thank you. Where is this?
In the backyard.
Yes. What's he?
Bike.
A bike.
Kitchen.
Yes.
Kite.
Okay. What's he doing?
He's riding a bike.
Yes. What's she doing?
She playing with a kitchen.
Yes. What is she doing?
She flying a kite.
Very, very good. Where's this?
In the village.
Very good. What's that?
Van. Volleyball.
Very good.
Can you draw a van?
Yeah, that's right.
Can you draw a village?
Yes.
Can you draw a volleyball?
Very, very good. Where are they?
In the kitchen.
Very good. What's this?
Jelly.
Yes.
Juice.
Yes.
Jam.
Very good. What's he saying?
I like jelly.
Yes.
I like juice.
That's right. Yes.
I like jelly.
Yes.
I like jam.
Very, very good. Where are they?
At the seashell.
Very good.
Sand.
Yes.
Sea.
Yes.
Sail.
Very, very good.
Let's look at the sand.
That's
Let's
right.
look at the sea.
Very good.
Let's look at the sail.
Very, very good. Where are they?
In the countryside.
Yes.
Rose.
Yes.
River.
Yes.
Rainbow.
Very good.
I can see a road.
Yes.
I can see a river.
Yes.
I can see a rainbow.
Very, very good. Where are they?
In the classroom.
Yes.
Circle.
Yes.
Triangle. Square. Rectangle. Star. Diamond.
Yes.
Oval.
Very, very good. Wow. Where are they now?
At the zoo.
That's right.
Zebra.
Yes.
Hippo.
Yes.
Alligator.
Yes.
Tiger.
Yes.
Lion.
Yes.
Monkey.
Yes.
Elephant.
Yes.
Penguin.
Peacock.
Peacock.
Yes.
Turtle.
Yes.
Panda.
Yes.
Bee.
Bear.
Bear.
Very, very good. Where are they now?
On the farm.
Yes.
Cow.
Yes.
Sheep.
Yes.
Fox.
Yes.
Duck.
Yes.
Cat.
Yes.
Goat.
Yes.
Hen.
Yes.
Rabbit.
Yes.
Dog.
Very, very good. Where are they now?
In the grocery store.
That's right. Yes.
Milk.
Yes.
Juice.
Yes.
Orange tree.
Yes.
Mangoes.
Yes.
Apple.
Yes.
Jelly.
Yes.
Jam. Cookie.
Yeah.
Yo-yo.
Very good.
Carrots.
Yes.
Banana.
Yes.
Watermelon.
Yes.
Tomato.
Yes.
Eggs.
Yes.
Yogurt.
Yes.
Candy.
Very, very good. Wow. That's great. Thank you, Sophia. Ready? 1, 2, 3.